Good morning, class. Hope that you are safe and fine at home. So, today we start with a new topic in our SST, that is lesson 6, movements or motions of the earth. Okay, motions means the movements of the earth. Movement means how the earth is moving. There are two movements of the earth. Rotation and revolution. Okay, there are two movements of the earth or two motions of the earth, rotation and revolution. Due to rotation, day and night takes place. Okay, the reason for day and night is rotation, and for revolution it is changes of seasons. Okay, so there are two movements of the earth, rotation and revolution. Okay, with the rotation we get day and night. As a result of rotation, day and night happens. Okay, and as a result of revolution, changes of season happens. About this only we are going to read in this lesson in detail. Okay, so let us start with the reflect part. Discuss how the pictures differ from one another. So you can see 4 pictures are there. Okay, here few questions are there regarding that. Name 3 activities that you do in the daytime, means this time. You will do it yourself, okay? And we will discuss it in the next session. Then name 3 activities that you do only at the night time, the second picture. Name 2 activities that you do only during summer. This is the summer picture. And name 2 activities that you do only in winter. This is the winter picture. Okay? So you do it yourself. It is very easy. And then in the next session we will discuss it. So let us start with our lesson. When you take a spinning top or a Beyblade and spin it, you will notice a line at the center along which the top spins. I think so everybody has seen a Beyblade or a spinning top. In Hindi we say it lattu. Okay, so a string comes with it and you pull it and then it drops on the floor and it starts spinning, moving round and round. When it moves, you will see that a fine line is being formed. It is not there, it is an imagination, it is an imaginary line. It is formed due to the movement of the Beyblade. Okay, so when we drop that Beyblade on the ground and when it starts spinning or moving round and round, we see an imaginary line is formed in between that. This line does not actually exist and is an imaginary line. As I said you, it is not there. Obviously when you see a Beyblade which is standing, you don't see any line there. But when you drop it on the floor and it is moving or spinning, you will see a fine imaginary line is there. It is our imagination. It really doesn't exist. When the top stops, the line disappears. As I said you, when the top is standing, you will not see any imaginary line there. Okay, so that is the imagination, when it is because of the movement of the Beyblade. Let us read the Factpedia first, then we will move to the next page. For many years it was believed that the earth was at the center of the universe and all the other heavenly bodies including the sun moved around it. Other heavenly body means the other planets. Okay, there are 8 planets. We have read about that before in our previous class. So what happened previously, people used to believe that earth is in the center and all the other planets are moving around the earth, but that is not true. That is why we say the sun rises and sets. Okay, that is why we say that the earth is standing and the sun is moving. Previously people used to believe that. Okay, that's why we used to say that the sun is rising and the sun is setting, means the sun is doing the movement, but it is not true. But actually the sun is stationary. Stationary means it is not moving, it is at its place, same place it is standing there only. And it is the earth that moves from west to east. So the sun is in the center only. Suppose that this is the sun. Okay, it is stagnant, it is stationary, it is going to stand here only. All the other, this is earth, think that the earth is moving round the sun. Okay, and due to this movement only we see day and night and changes in season. These movement of the earth, okay, there are 2 movements as I explained you, rotation and revolution. Okay, and due to rotation day and night happens, and due to revolution changes of season occurs. Okay, so this is the sun and all the other planets are moving around it. Okay, page number 37. Now take a globe and spin it. If you have a globe, you can try, otherwise let it be. You will see that just like the top, the globe also spins along an imaginary line. When you see a globe, you will see that the globe is every time tilted. The globe is never straight. The stand is straight, but when the globe is placed over it, it is tilted. Okay, and when you spin the globe also round and round like a Beyblade, you will see an imaginary line is there. It is our imagination. It is not our imagination. When it spins round very fast, then we see that a fine line is formed. Okay, you will see, also notice that the line is not straight like that of a top, but is slightly tilted. Obviously, when the globe is tilted, okay, globe is never straight. Okay, globe is tilted. Okay, so when the globe is tilted, the fine line or the imaginary line which will be formed will also be tilted. Okay, so what happened? Just like the top and the globe, the earth too spins on an imaginary vertical line called the axis. You can see it here. I will draw it also. Wait. This is the axis, the imaginary line which we see when we spin the globe. Okay, and this is the North Pole and this is the South Pole. We also say it Northern Hemisphere and Southern Hemisphere, and this is our globe or the model of the earth. Okay, so you will see this. So this is the, let me change it. This is the axis. Okay, this imaginary line is the axis, which is from North Pole to South Pole or Northern Hemisphere to Southern Hemisphere. Okay, and globe is called the model of the earth. Okay, it is just a model of the earth. In reality, it's not the earth. It is just the model of the earth. So earth too spins on an imaginary vertical line called the axis, as I explained you. However, this axis is not straight and it is tilted at an angle. As I said you, it is tilted. See, it is not straight. Straight is like this, but it is tilted. Okay. The two important movements of the earth are rotation and revolution. In the starting only, I explained you that there are two important movements of the earth. One is rotation and the other one is revolution. Now, we will start with rotation. The earth spins on its axis from west to east once in every 24 hours. West to east means it is moving from this. What happened? This is west, this is east, and it is moving like this. The movement is like this. Okay, and how long does it take? It takes 24 hours, or you can say 1 day. Okay, so the earth spins on its axis from west to east once in every 24 hours. West to east it is moving. This is called rotation. Means the movement of the earth from west to east in 24 hours or in a day is called the rotation. The rotation of the earth causes the formation of day and night. Now how it is going to form? Suppose that this is the earth, okay, this part where the written part is there, okay. Suppose that the earth is here and the sunlight is falling from here. You will see like this, okay. This is the sun, the duster is the sun, and this is the earth. When the earth is facing the sun, this part where the Cosco part is written, okay, I have a ball only, so I am explaining with that. When this is in front of this earth, okay, now suppose that it is moving, moving, okay. Now what has happened? This Cosco part has gone at the back and the other part has come in the front, okay. In the same way, the part which is facing the facing the sun will have day, and the part which is at the back, which is not receiving any light, this part is not receiving any light, which is on my side, okay, is not receiving any light. That means it is dark. And the part which is in front of the sun, which is receiving the light, is the day. And when the earth rotates, this part goes to the back, okay, and the part which is in the dark side comes in front, okay. So that part will have day and the other part will have night. So we were there. The rotation of the earth causes the formation of day and night. As the earth moves from west to east, the part of the earth that faces the sun has day and the part that faces away from the sun has night. In the diagram also you can see it. Or should I draw it here? Wait. Suppose that this is the sun. Okay. And then here I will form the earth. I've drawn it too big. It will be small. Now you will see that this part is receiving the light of the sun. So this is having day. But this part is not receiving any light. That means it is night. And this happens in what? Rotation. Okay. So when the earth rotates, the part which is facing the sun is having the day. The part which is at the back, okay, which is not having the sunlight, is the night. As the earth takes 24 hours to complete one rotation, so we say day has 24 hours consisting of day and night. As we all know that one day equals to 24 hours. So we say that a rotation of the earth takes 24 hours or a day to complete its rotation. Okay. So we are going to stop here only. In the next session again we are going to first recap what is rotation and then we are going to move to the revolution. So kindly read the lesson which we have covered today. Thank you class.